Hey there! Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through streaming platforms trying to find something to watch? Well, I've got the perfect solution for you. Introducing the Amazon Fire TV 43-inch Omni QLED Series 4K UHD Smart TV. This isn't just any ordinary TV, it's a powerhouse of entertainment that will revolutionize the way you watch TV. This TV is perfect for anyone looking to upgrade their home entertainment experience. Whether you're a movie buff, a sports fanatic, or just looking to unwind after a long day, the Amazon Fire TV has something for everyone. One of the standout features of this TV is its stunning 4K UHD display with Dolby Vision IQ. You'll feel like you're right in the middle of the action with vibrant colors and crystal clear picture quality. And with the Fire TV ambient experience, you can set the mood in your living room with beautiful, customizable background visuals. But that's not all. This TV is hands-free with Alexa, so you can control your TV with just the sound of your voice. No more fumbling for the remote or getting up off the couch. Just sit back, relax, and let Alexa do the work for you. So how can you use this amazing TV in your everyday life? Imagine coming home after a long day at work and simply saying, "Alexa, play my favorite show on Netflix." It's that easy. You can also use it to check the weather, control your smart home devices, or even order a pizza. All without lifting a finger. Now, you might be wondering how the Amazon Fire TV compares to other smart TVs on the market. Let me tell you, this TV blows the competition out of the water. With its seamless integration with Amazon services, endless streaming options, and top-of-the-line picture quality, you won't find a better TV for the price. Here are a few tips for getting the most out of your Amazon Fire TV. Make sure to customize your settings to your liking, explore the variety of streaming apps available, and take advantage of Alexa's hands-free capabilities. Trust me, once you start using this TV, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your home entertainment experience with the Amazon Fire TV 43-inch Omni QLED Series 4K UHD Smart TV today. Say goodbye to endless scrolling and hello to endless entertainment. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your TV watching experience. Order your Amazon Fire TV now and start enjoying all the benefits it has to offer. You won't be disappointed.